Say hello to Mo, whose parents are famous alums. Mo is so excited to be joining the Mustang family as a first-year student, but understands this fall is going to look a little different than anticipated. Upon arriving on campus, Student Health Center staff will ask you some COVID-related questions and take your temperature. You'll likely notice our living spaces will be reduced in density, with limited shared spaces in all of our residence halls. Signs are posted inside and outside our buildings to make sure everyone follows campus protocol. Hand sanitizing stations are set up throughout campus for your use. Classes may look a little different with new safety arrangements, like creating space for physical distancing. Mosey on down to Seneca, where your orders will now be takeout direct pickup only. Our commitment to providing you with quality education and hands-on learning has not changed. When it's time for a break, there are plenty of spaces on campus to spread out and horse around.
Don't forget to mask up, Mustangs. Let's all work together to keep the campus and our community safe.